Guess I'll do this now. You want donuts? You know, we just done sponge. And then listen, dog. Why don't God's green earth be taking you like 7 years to do this shit, dog? This shit, what the fuck, Kanye? I want to use this again, dog. Oh. Let's finish this shit. Then we still got shit on. Come on, man. Come on. Otis, listen.
He got a gun. I'm cranking them Johns out by hand, you feel me? So it's like.
And you talking about you leaving at 5. What the fuck, bro? Yo, you gonna leave like 6, bro. Like, tell Ty Bass to come over here and practice. We got a whole spot next door he can rehearse in. Tell him bring his ass over here. Me personally, if I may request, if I am allowed to request, yeah, man, let's get this shit easy. You bullshitting, dog. You bullshitting. That's that Caribbean shit again. There it go. There it go. I gotta iron my pants before we go outside, shit. Yo. Here we go. And just throw the pants on and run out. We gonna miss the airplane fucking explore and shit.
Man, Rax be talking all that shit. I'm gonna come through in April. I'm gonna come through in April with some shit. Y'all gonna see.
A word. What happened? Let me see. What happened? Back where you at? Oh, a word. Yep. A word, but they ain't got borders on, so they not done still. Oh, fuck you mean?
This is done. I
Fuck
don't
you
want a
up.
border on this.
Why
this
wouldn't
got
you?
a border on it.
Why would this man color?
No, it ain't.
But why would you put a border on this?
This already got another border. Why need like 3 borders? It's got black.
Nah, son. See. Look, let me explain something to you with quality, brother. Quality has to have consistency, brother. This is no different than this piece right here. You know what I'm about to grab. Now that ain't nothing. Which one look better? Be honest. Which one look better?
This one.
Okay then. And why does it look better, Sponge?
Because it got bad colors.
Oh my God.
It's a cool design, bro.
Good.
Sponge gonna get you in there.
No. Again, 13 pieces in 1 month. I mean, I'm not saying that it couldn't have been. It couldn't have been more. That's what I want, you know. It don't matter who make more rugs, but we produced a lot of product. You get what I'm saying? The end result of that no matter what it is we both went in and did something and challenged ourselves and our talent and our ability to, you know, push a little bit further. So whatever. Okay. And hey there, man. How's it going, black guy?
I'm alright. How you feel?
I'm chilling.
I can say it.
Yeah, move this boot out of your way.
How y'all feeling, man?
No, we just in here politicking about strategizing and attacking on shit that we about to launch for fucking spring and fucking going into the summer. So
HD been dope from the 9, Brooklyn, New York.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
I feel like every time I come to see Rax's, I feel like, damn, yo, everything's really possible. Like, that's what it is. He's walking proof of it, you feel me? But from a pure place, like a place of just like, what you want. Somebody really just walked up to you right now and said, what you want? And then whatever you started saying, like, it just started popping up. Like, that's what it'd be like being at this shit with Rax.
now we was teaching classes. I kind of chilled out because I wanted to build up on product. We made a bunch of shit. So now that we got product because we're gonna launch a new store. Like, and then
What borough?
no, online.
Oh, online. Got you.
Told you it's psychological warfare, brother. Okay, you have to take the fight to the megaburst. all right, not the streets. Okay,
Right. That's where
to the megaburst, brother. All right.
Like, when you see it in people, it's like, oh, okay, cool. Like, y'all niggas not stopping. That's my biggest shit. Shit don't stop till I say it's stopping. And these niggas all got that same mentality. That nigga Sponge, bro, he's making rugs and shit like that. This nigga got a vision for real. Sat with this nigga for just a couple minutes, played him some music and ideas that he came up with, just like, nigga, that is simple.
The growth has been tremendous, and really we just been studying each other and our past work in order to just get better. And of course we look at the market and see what's out there, but they ain't really touching our shit, man. So, you know what I'm saying? We just keep progressing and pushing forward.
And then we finally got Alex ass to make an appearance today. He actually here for a full fucking day. So man, it's a beautiful Wednesday, man.
I'm Alex Ascension. I do cut and sew at Togmaker. I saw Rax on Complex back in the day in the lines for Supreme, and then I was looking for an internship and I hit him up, and at first he was a little hesitant, and then I finally came to the city, hit him up about some fabric I was looking for, and then he was like, come work for me. So that's how we linked.
He's still on his onboarding right now. He's still within his 90 days, but you know, we just trying to get him to understand how, you know, we operate and do stuff, and he's doing a pretty decent job of that. I mean, he learned how to use a broom, so that's good, you feel me?
I'm gonna be honest with you, this was stupid, but I'm gonna tell you how we can fix this.
What
Okay?
should I?
First of all, how was you gonna make a box that ain't reinforced? How was you gonna do that?
I mean, I'm definitely a messy person. Like, sewing is messy, especially me. Like, I kind of throw everything everywhere. So, I mean, it's good that they get on me because they're polishing, like, how to look more presentable, perfect my craft, everything like that.
He come with a lot of creativity. He be having wild ideas, and them shits be fire, you know what I'm saying? So I like the fact that he has his own idea set and be having the mindset to execute said ideas. You know what I mean? Let me see that real quick, cuz I gotta ask you some questions real fast, bro.
Oh shit, this nigga about to come get at
Hey
me.
dog, so real quick, nigga, like that shit over there, again.
I'm about to put in some work. I got
No, but I'm saying though, how many moons is it gonna take you to finish that, bro?
about another 3.
I'm saying, here's the deal. This is the reason why I'm getting at you though. Notice how Elliot, guess what he don't got? He don't got a backlog of shit that he gotta catch up on. He's caught up. He has, all of his stuff is current. Our shit, how we behind on shit and we do the same thing?
We ain't that behind. We not that behind.
Okay.
Pressure just want me dead. Started with nothing else. Started with what we needed. Couldn't see nothing else. We was just make believing. On record, I air 'em out. On record, I A to C 'em. From Brooklyn to where about the country, I'm A to B in. I cannot